Good morning to everyone. My name is Akshita and from Shanasalas English Medium High School. Today I tell about conversation about Batkama Festival. Good morning to everyone. My name is Varsha and from the Shanasalas English Medium High School. Today I tell about conversation about Batkama speech. Hello Varsha, good morning. Hello Akshay, good morning. Hi Varsha, how are you? I'm fine and you? I'm also fine. Do you know we are celebrating Batkama Festival? Yes, I know we are celebrating Batkama Festival in our school. Now I have some questions about Batkama Festival. Tell me. Okay. Why do we celebrate Batkama Festival? The purpose of this festival is to pray to the goddess to the goddess in their belief that the young girls should get husband as per their decision and wish married women. Celebrate the festival is to pray to the goddess for good health, prosperity to their family. Why do we immerse Batkama in water? Batkama celebrates an inherent relationship between earth, water, and human beings during the entire releasing. We women make Batkama along with Batkama and immerse it in the pond. This helps rain for the pond and helps it rain more return to more water. Which flowers are used in Batkama? We use flowers in Batkama. There are Tangir Puvulu, Punugu Puvulu, Chamati Puvulu, Patti Puvulu, Vama Puvulu, Gummadi Puvulu. Now I have some questions about Batkama festival. Tell me. Okay. What is Batkama? Batkama Batku place Amma Mother Eliness Mother Goddess. Come Eli and Goddess Mahagauri is worshipped in the form of Batkama. What is interesting facts of Batkama? Batkama is a floral festival. From Bhadrapada, Paurnami till Durgashtami, brothers bring flowers to do Batkama. Women and 90 girls make Batkama floral art and dance around it. Women appeal the traditional saree and teenage girls wear outside combing it with jewels in order to bring out the traditional grace of the attire. How many days do we celebrate Batkama? What are the names of 9 days of Batkama? We do celebrate Batkama 9 days and the names of Batkamas Engilkula Batkama, Atkula Batkama, Muddapapa Batkama, Nanaviyam Batkama, Atla Batkama, Aligina Batkama, Vepakaila Batkama, Venamudara Batkama, Sadhira Batkama. Thank you giving this golden opportunity. Have a wonderful day. Thank you giving this golden opportunity. Have a colorful day.